besties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys the new method of my new lashes. Okay, so of course you know I'm an eyelashes queen. So in this video, this is the new glue that I discovered recently, and this glue, guys, I haven't tried it, but in this video this is my very first time to use it, and it's amazing, guys. And here is my mirror. Of course I'm gonna go ahead to apply the bond side. Okay, so I'm gonna use it to brush up my eyebrows first. All you need to do is so simple. Like, this is a lifesaver, guys. It's even better. Can I say it's 100% better than the bonding, the former method I used to do before. So just brush it up, brush your brows up. That's all you need to do, and trust me, guys, it dries so quick. As you're just putting your lashes right there, it's sticking immediately without no issue. Like, guys, I begin to like this because I was even saying to myself that I said, why didn't I discover this so like all these years? Because I've been using bonding for a very long time, and that was 8 years ago. 8 or 9 years ago I've been using that bonding, and I'm like, I didn't discover this on time, guys. Like, this is so easy method. All you need to do, just brush it up and start sticking your eyelashes on top of it, any style, anywhere, like how or whichever way you want it. Like, this is so amazing. And of course, you are my family, and you guys know I can't discover something or know something and refuse to share with you all. So of course, you know, that's for sure that I must share with you all. And this is so simple. As I stick all of them, I'm trying to press it. Like, guys, look at what I'm doing. It won't even fall. It didn't fall down. It sticks. Like, the glue lasts so well. It sticks very well. So I'm gonna go ahead, use the seal side. Like, when you finish applying it, you need to use the seal side to seal it up. And yeah, that is all. Even this morning I was trying to pull it out, like trying to remove it. It sticks so well. It's not even shaking. It's not even doing as if it wants to remove. Like, guys, this is exactly what I need. With this, guys, I'm gonna be fixing lashes 247, of course, you all. And you know, one good thing about these lashes is that this gum is that it will not even enter your eyes. Like, you know, that glue, I'm always careful when I'm using that bonding, because if you do mistake, your tears can push it down and it will enter your eyes, all of that. But this, guys, is a lifesaver, and if you're using this, you would thank me later. You won't even bother. Like, you won't even be worried. Look at how easy, look at how clean my eyes are, where there is not even red, nothing. This is so amazing. I really recommend this type of glue. Of course, I recommend it if you want to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead. Very easy. It didn't even take me up to 5 minutes. Do you all remember, as soon as you finish applying it, you go with the seal and seal it up? Okay, so I can't really tell how long it lasts. All I know is that it's amazing. This is the before and after. Oh my god, like, guys, look at me. My eyes were so clean. I'm loving this. I love it so much. Like, guys, I've been feeling myself ever since I faced these lashes. This is so amazing. I highly recommend that you guys should try it out, and I would like to hear your feedback in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And also subscribe in the subscribe button. And of course, I love you all, and of course I'll see you all in my next video. Remain blessed. God bless you all, and have an amazing and a blessed and a lovely and a fantastic and everything you all can think of. Have it. Every good thing, have it in abundance, in Jesus' name. Bye, guys.